My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's the home of the 5-minute or less video. I tell you everything you need to know to make educational and informative decisions. I worked for IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice for 4 decades. Yes, I have been doing this for 50 years. So I don't do any promotions. I just simply tell you if you need representation, we can do that for you. We certainly know everything that we're doing. We have a whole team of former IRS agents, CPAs, tax attorneys on staff, and we're very affordable. Anyway, today I want to talk to you about those who have not filed your tax returns for years. There are so many people. I get now, the last 3 weeks, I've gotten 8 calls a week of people who are doing their back tax returns. There is a fear in people, and what happens is once you don't file 1 year, it just absolutely starts rolling up over and over and over and over and over and over and over, and then all of a sudden you haven't filed. You don't know what to do. How do you get back in the system? Is IRS going to catch me? Oh my God, they hired all these people. I'm finally going to get in trouble. That's what happens, and you have this internal fear that you keep buried inside of you. I've talked to so many people, and that's usually what happens. But the process is so simple to get back. IRS is just happy to have you back in the system. So stop worrying. You have to file your last 6 years. That's it. IRS doesn't require any more than the last 6 years. There's a policy statement P-1 IRS Policy Statement P5 133. You can look it up yourself. You only have to file the last 6 years, and it's simple to do. IRS has your income records, and you simply pull your income records and reconstruct your tax returns from those income records. And if you're self-employed, we do the same thing. We can reconstruct things from bank statements and asking you questions, and it's very simple to do. What happens is you file those returns, and then we figure out an exit strategy and how you're going to settle the case. Once you get your first bill, IRS is either going to put you in to currently non-collectible, a payment agreement, or you may be able to file for an offer and compromise. Those are some of the things that we do when we analyze, in fact, how your case is going to end. So there's 2 parts to this. We file and settle. File, settle, file, settle. It's so simple. And the process will the filing process usually takes about 3 weeks. By the time your case gets settled with IRS, maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 months, depending on what your financial situation is. What we do is we posture you to settle your case for the lowest possible amount, or get you in a hardship or a payment agreement, depending on your situation. The big aha here for you today is to stop worrying about the problem. It's so simple to get back in. IRS isn't going to send zombies or ghoulies after you to do anything to you, but you want to go out before IRS knocks on the door. I know this is in your heart. You got to do it, so just get it done. Call anyone that you know. You can go to any company you want, but if you want to go ahead and get your returns filed, at least, and make sure it's the lowest amount, you can call us and we'll go over that procedure with you. So don't worry, nothing's going to happen to you. And by the way, if you haven't filed your returns, you're not going to go to prison. A lot of people think, oh my God, prison's next. Just get it over with. Once you file your returns and get a power of attorney, IRS isn't going to do anything to you. Trust me, I've been doing this for 50 years. Anyway, if this video was helpful to you, please give me a subscription. It's because YouTube values those. Anyway, it was nice chatting with you. My contact information is in the description section below. Thank you.